Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Auto Smartphone, and today I'm bringing you one of the most exciting nostalgia meets future smartphones of 2026, the Nokia N72 Pro 5G. Yes, the legendary N-series spirit is back, but this time with a modern twist, flagship muscle, and a design that blends classic Nokia durability with next-gen innovation. If you've ever used the original N72, get ready because this new model will hit you with pure nostalgia, but the performance will remind you just how far Nokia has come. The moment you hold the Nokia N72 Pro 5G, you instantly feel that premium Nokia craftsmanship. The device features a matte-finished polyglass body with metallic accents along the frame, giving it a sleek yet iconic look. It's refreshingly compact compared to today's oversized phones, making it extremely comfortable to grip. Nokia has also introduced a retro-style camera module inspired by the 2000s N-series designs, giving it a truly unique identity in the smartphone lineup of 2026. And with IP67 protection, this phone is ready for splashes, rain, and the everyday bumps of busy life. When it comes to the display, Nokia has finally stepped up with a stunning 6.4-inch AMOLED PureView panel. Colors pop beautifully, blacks are deep, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and video playback incredibly smooth. Whether you're watching content, editing videos, or browsing social media, the viewing experience feels premium and immersive. The bezels are minimal, and the punch-hole front camera blends perfectly into the screen. Under the hood, the Nokia N72 Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, a power-efficient performer that focuses on stability, speed, and smooth multitasking. Whether you're gaming on high settings, editing 4K videos, or switching between multiple apps, the device handles everything with cool efficiency. Combined with 8GB or 12GB RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, you get reliable, lag-free performance all day long. And of course, 5G speeds keep streaming, downloading, and online gaming blazing fast. Now let's talk about the camera, because Nokia has once again proven why the PureView legacy still matters. The N72 Pro 5G features a 108MP main camera with OIS that captures crisp details, vibrant colors, and stable shots even in low light. Night mode is significantly improved, delivering clear photos without noise or overexposure. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and group shots, while the 8-megapixel telephoto sensor gives 3x optical zoom with strong clarity. On the front, the 32-megapixel selfie camera offers well-balanced skin tones, great dynamic range, and beautiful portrait effects. Whether you're a casual shooter or a content creator, the N72 Pro delivers consistency and sharpness that feels premium. Battery life is another strong point. With a 5200 mAh battery, the phone easily lasts an entire day even with heavy use. Streaming, photography, gaming, nothing drains the battery too fast. And thanks to 65W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 70% in just about half an hour. Nokia has also included wireless charging, making it more convenient than ever. On the software side, the N72 Pro 5G runs on clean Android 16 with Nokia's minimalistic UI enhancements. No bloatware, no unnecessary ads, just a smooth, clean experience. Plus, Nokia is promising up to 5 years of security patches and 3 major OS updates, which gives this phone long-term value. The audio experience is equally impressive. With dual stereo speakers powered by Ozo audio technology, you get crisp highs, strong mids, and satisfying bass. Watching movies or gaming with this sound setup feels immersive. The 3.5mm headphone jack also makes a return, which many users will absolutely appreciate. Overall, the Nokia N72 Pro 5G is a beautiful blend of retro charm and futuristic performance. It brings back the beloved N-series feel, but with modern power, a vibrant display, solid cameras, long battery life, and clean software. It's the perfect phone for anyone who wants reliability, nostalgia, and strong 2026 features in one package. Whether you're a Nokia fan or simply want a stylish, well-built phone that stands out from the crowd, the N72 Pro 5G is easily one of the most attractive mid-premium smartphones of the year.